Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New York. The local time is now 3:16 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your bags stowed until the captain has parked the aircraft at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. And use caution when opening the overhead bins or gathering your personal belongings. The bags tend to shift on landing, and we want to prevent injuries from bags that may fall. If you need any information about connecting flight, ground transportation, or baggage claim, Delta Ground representatives